tried to test iPhone SE first generation in 2025, but this phone was released back in 2016. I never used an Apple product till now. I have very simple reason for not using Apple products, but I want to test this phone. In upcoming videos I will tell you more clearly, but for this video this is just an unboxing video of iPhone SE 2016 which I bought from Ovantica in superb condition. It costed me around 4000 rupees, and this phone doesn't have any bumps, so you can place on any flat surface without any problem. I'll make detailed camera test in upcoming videos, but we have to compare with some other devices. I have two more devices from that time in similar price range like 2016-17. The only thing I don't like about this device is the battery. You can't get much screen on time, but in this particular device the battery health is very bad. While I was watching the screen for 45 seconds, it lost 7% battery. I didn't do anything. I was just viewing the home screen, just swiping it. I think you don't get a screen on time more than 2 hours even if it's a new device. That's the only thing I don't like. I bought the cheapest one I could find, and this is iPhone SE 2016 space gray with 16 GB storage. This is in superb condition which costed me around 4000 rupees, but the battery is not good. I mean, the battery health is only 77%. I don't know why they gave me this in superb condition model. In Ovantica, for Android phones you will get 6 months warranty, and for iPhones you will get 1 year warranty. If you are buying a problematic device in iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. You will get only 7 days replacement policy. You don't get any warranty. That's the thing you should remember before buying a problematic device.